Hey guys, so I wanted to film a video on just to get ready with me. It's nothing crazy, it's pretty simple. The makeup, the whole look is really simple. I'm going out on the town tonight, and because I live in a small town, being a trans woman, I don't like to wear anything crazy on my eyes or anything because I just kind of want to blend in and not start drama. I know that might not be a good enough reason for some people, but I don't want my night ruined. It's as simple as that, really. So I just do something, glowy, simple, pretty, something that people can take in easily. There's a lot of makeup on. I put a lot of makeup on, but we're taking photos and stuff. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed the look. It's pretty simple. And I did a voiceover for this one. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so I'm just applying an oil primer, and that's going to be my base because I have pretty dry skin. And then I'm just using a beige shadow that matches my skin tone, and I will be I'll be putting all the names below, by the way. It's Bobbi Brown eyeshadow, and then I'm just using a light brown in the crease, something really natural. I don't want to be too much at all. After this, you'll see me go into a pigment. That's the Salma pigment from Sample Beauty on top of a Nyx Glitter Primer. Very nice. This is a Makeup Revolution concealer. The name and color will be down below. I like a bright under eye, as some of you may know from my other videos where I do foundation. I'm pretty fair, so I find white to be the best. That's just what I like. And then everywhere else I use just my skin color concealer. I'm not sure, I don't remember the color of this. It's Catrice. It's all my concealers that I use all over my face, like my regular concealers, not my highlighting concealers, are usually the lightest that you can get. I'll go ahead and I'll put it down below, but I know that it is the Catrice concealer. Then I'm just spot highlighting with some more of that white Makeup Revolution concealer, and then I'm going in with the YSL All Hours foundation. This is probably my favorite foundation that I've tried. I really like the Dermacol one too. I really like full coverage foundations, just because I have a lot of freckles. Then I'm using the Danessa Myricks Lift Matte Cream Color. It's pretty much a white color, so I'm using that under my eyes just to further solidify that white that's under my eyes. And I'll use it a bit on the forehead and then a little bit on my chin as well too, just for added highlighting. And then I wanted to mention as well too, after this is done, I use the Shivering White powder from MAC. It's the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, I think it's called. I use that to anchor the white under my eyes and then the white on my forehead. I just like it really, really bright. So I'm doing that right here. Then I'll go in and I will powder with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I really like this because it's kind of on the cooler side for someone who's fair. So I like that, but I sometimes use warmer bronzers as well too. I meant to mention as well, I set with the Coty Airspun, and then I just brush that off, and then I use the Butter Bronzer. It's coming off a little warmer on camera, but it really isn't, it's not too warm, at least in my opinion. And then I'll go in, I'm just bronzing all over the face. So my forehead, my cheekbones, my temples, and then I use it as a contour as well too. I do my jawline contour with my Nyx, and then I do my nose contour, all with the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. Then I am using a Makeupforever blush. This is an orange one. I do apologize, I don't remember the name. It's the most orange one that you can get. And to highlight today, I'm using the Danessa Myricks highlighter. I'll go ahead and I'll put that down below. It's a loose highlighter. I really enjoy loose highlighters, as well as a Colourpop highlighter on my forehead. I use that all over my forehead because it's more my actual skin tone. Like, it's more of a beigey color as opposed to white. So I use that all over my forehead to give me more of a dewy finish instead of the strong powdery finish that I have. I believe it's called, maybe it's Lunch Money. I'm not sure. I'll put it down below once again. And I'm just taking that crease color, that Bobbi brown shadow under my eye, just for a little bit of definition. I don't want it to be too far down, just a little tiny bit, so that that white doesn't kind of make me look like I have no bottom lashes. Then I'm using Mannequin by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and then I am putting the center as I'm Nude by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. A really nice dupe for these is the Stila ones, or maybe Jeffree Star is a dupe for Stila. I'm not really sure. Okay, you guys, so that's the final look. I hope you all enjoy. I'm sweating, so I'm gonna go sit in front of my fan for a bit. Bye, guys.